We got AC troubles. Thanks to FridayParts.com, we got an exact match. New AC compressor. Alright, one last 13mm bolt, and this should come right out. Oh yeah. Alright, before you try to install or do any cutting on wires, let's just make sure the bracketry is all lined up. Everything looks... Alright, time for the compressor. Alright, she's all torqued down. Let's get this belt on. Put her on. It's a serpentine belt, so you gotta line them up the best you can. Just slide it back and forth. It's got grooves, like 5 little grooves. You know, your pulleys if you got some dirt on them or whatever. Throw that back on there. 2 turns, there you go. Now we'll put this bracket on. Don't forget to plug her in. Last bracket right here. Goes in up and around to protect that belt, that serpentine. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy all chromed out, huh? All right, time to pump this system down. Anytime you do tubing or line or compressor, you gotta pump it down. Open, and we're gonna let that run for an hour. We have to purge the system. So we're gonna put that in. You heard that air or the Freon went. There's a little purge button right there. Hit it till you get Freon out. Turn it a couple times like this. It'll allow that to get to it. There you go. Now you got once you got liquid out, you know it's out. Okay. So we're gonna go low side slow, and you'll see the Freon come in here. You'll hear the air compressor kick on. You don't want to spike the system. As you see, this is getting nice and frosty. That means it's working. I'm gonna turn the AC up on high now that we got 1 can in. All right, guys, she's running. She's blowing cold. That was a success. Another success with FridayParts.com. Go on their website. You need AC parts. Hot season's here now, coming up. Get yourself some parts. Go on their website and just type in the machine you got. You'll find everything you need. FridayParts.com.